Okay, go ahead, buddy.
Hello, today we're doing
Christmas fireworks. I think they're just 3. You make a better door than a window. Finale before the finale.
I guess so.
Woo! Merry Christmas! Every time they do one, you guys say Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler.
Sounds great.
Ooh.
Is this safe?
Is it safe? Yeah.
It's a big one.
It's the fire department, right? About as safe as you can get.
There's a double one right here.
Wow, we're so close too.
We are close. That's why it's so big.
Pretty big, right?
No wonder it's so big. We're so close. Turn off your brakes, dude.
I would kill your neighbors across the street. Like, I'd walk over there and... Sure they don't got their brights on? That's a big one. America!
Oh, this one's big. Fireworks, bud.
They're bombs bursting in air. Ooh, I like those. Holy crap.
The crazy part is it's aiming for us, too.
Wow, that stayed in the air for a while.
It's aiming for us, too. Yeah.
Ooh.
In the green spider. In the green spider.
Here we go. 2.
That one looks cool. But the scary thing is it's aiming for us, so at any point it could just hit us. We're a safe distance.
Yeah, we're good. Right, you're not, nothing's gonna come down on you.
You see Larissa at school? I do.
I apologize for that.
That's my Larissa. Yeah, it is.
You can have her. I just need her back on every day that ends in day.
Yeah, not happening.
Some of them are just small. They're just short. Is that a bar across the street or is it someone's house?
That's a house.
Oh, wow. They got a good view.
Yeah, they
They got like the fire department right there too. Woo! Pretty cool, right, Rye?
Whoa.
Every time I hear a boom, I pee a little. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, that's cool. You've seen fireworks before, right?
Yeah, he don't remember.
Yeah, you're probably too little.
He don't remember him this year.
Heck yeah. Oh, wow.
It's a rainbow.
That was really rainbowy.
You can say hi, Maddie. No?
She has cooties. Wow. That like rattled my eardrum.
That was pretty.
The louder the better though. The louder ones are really nice.
Watch, Connor, they're gonna do more.
The camera's out of focus for some reason. Woo.
Oh, this one's big.
You know it.
No, they're wet. Your slipper's wet.
Is this the finale? Might be the finale. Might be, I don't know. Wow, that was crazy. Here we go. Ooh. I wish I was. These are really nice. Christmas 2023. Ooh. That was a nice one. Ow. It's called Fireworks, right? Green and red together, like Christmas. That was, whoa, that was kind of cool. Here we go. America. Silent night. Just kidding. Fireworks.
Mine too. You got a big belly too.
Wow. Ooh, that was cool. Is this guy really parked like on the side of the road? You should charge this guy like 20 bucks.
Oh, I should. I should.
Technically, the town owns that part of the property, bro.
No.
Yeah, that's true.
Charge him. Get up here.
This is a great spot, though.
Get up here.
It's very wet, Connor. It was raining like 10 minutes ago. Well, this is going to be loud. I kind of feel like the little ones are louder. Whoa, that was good. It's crack-a-lackin'. We could hear them from our house, but we can't really.
You can?
Yeah, we can't.
Last night, I guess they did them for the.
Oh my good Jesus. What? What just happened? I surrender! Don't do it again.
A big spider's gonna eat you.
A lot of people usually post like, what was that loud bang? And then I do some investigating online. These are better than, we were here like a couple of years ago and these seem pretty cool.
Yeah.
I don't know if they did them during COVID. I don't remember. I don't think they did. I think they were.
Because we would have came up to watch, and I don't think we did because he was a baby. I don't think.
Yeah.
Stop. They go in.
Here we go. Is this the finale? Here we go, right? Finale time.
Maybe not finale, because what happened last time, it wasn't a finale.
Oh yeah, that's true. Pow, 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 pow.
I think it's just a lot of them.
Probably.
He doesn't. He can't sit still.
Here we go. Wow, that was big. Am I gonna back up in there? Here we go. They're so pretty. Is it weird that I want to hug a firework? I mean, I don't know. It's kind of weird.
Do it.
I just want to hug one. Do it! You only live once.
You and Nick can do it together.
Yeah. Two birds with one stone. Oh, that was pretty. I've never seen one like that before. They just do them randomly, babe. Here we go. Uh-oh, my focus. I'm trying to make it focus more. Oh, wow. They need more like that. Here we go. This has got to be the finale. Ooh. Christmas. That's Hanukkah right there. Holy crap. After eating Taco Bell.
It's not even a finale. How is this not even a finale?
It's probably going to be over soon. They usually last about 10 minutes. Although it's been 13 almost. Just when you think it's over, it's like, we got another one. Come on, your phone. That was pretty. Right, it's coming down. He actually asked me if he could like get burned by it. I'm like, bro, we're way far away. Way too far.
Something shocking down that fire.
Very cool. Ooh. Here we go, Ray. There we go! Merry Christmas! Merry Chrysler! Holy crap! America! Woo! I think that's it. We're gonna wait a minute. Yo! Woo! Merry Christmas! Happy Hanukkah, Happy New Year, and good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Want to close this video, buddy? They're not, bud.
Okay.
So Christmas 2023 fireworks.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
Merry
Like and
Christmas.
subscribe. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Ooh.